Hi again, and welcome to SC Industrial bandsaw videos. So today what we're going to show you is a video on the Temelsan KR01 Bending Tester. It's made to test welds from 1/2 inch all the way to 3 inch width. Today we're going to be testing an 1.25 inch blade, 5/6 tooth pitch. And as you can see, there's the grind and the weld's already been done on both sides. They were actually welded and ground on a Temelsan welder, as well as a Temelsan 3-in-1 grinder. So let's get started. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to put the blade inside the Temelsan bend tester, and you're going to center where you're grinding or your welding was. Put it into this radial block here, die that's here. Once you do that, you're going to tighten the tension, tighten the jack. It's basically a jack that's in here, and you're going to bring it towards the blade, centering the blade again, so that you are putting pressure right where the weld is. That's where you want the bend to begin. So I've got it centered there. Now I'm going to start bending the blade. So I'm going to put pressure on it. As I put pressure on it, you can see the gauge here moving towards a certain depth or pressure tension. Once you get to the 10, that's pretty much where most blades will be tested. But if you go further, which we're going to go further, as you see, we're going into the red area, meaning it's the danger area, meaning that's where most blades will fail. In this case, we're all the way bent. I'm going to now release the pressure. Piston will go back, and I can show you that the bend tester showed no fracture or cracking at the weld. And now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it around, and we're going to test the other side. So we're going to bend it twice, one way and then the opposite way. So again, I'm going to center the weld, tighten down the jack, and then start bending the blade. Okay, so once again, I'm all the way to the red area, the danger zone as we call it. I'm going to release the tension on the jack, going to spring back, and there's your weld again. No crack. So it's a really good way to test your blades, whether you're welding on an Ideal welder or an Edge welder, whoever brand of welder that you're welding on, Temelsan preferably. But it's a great way to check to see if your blades are of quality. And as you can see, we bent it both ways, and there's still no crack or fracture. Thank you, and call us if you need any help on your blade, materials, or anything. Thank you, and see you next time.